Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The rainfall over Goa is going to be the highest on 2nd July, 3rd July and 4th of July. Very heavy rainfall stands for the quantity of rainfall exceeding 12 centimeter in 24 hours. And when this monsoon winds become stronger, monsoon becomes active, there could be chance of wind speeds of the speed of 30 to even 40 km per hour along with the rains. Fishermen are requested not to venture into sea on 1st, 2nd, 4th and 5th of July because the weather is going to be squally. We can see that the state average rainfall for Goa as on today, that is on 1st of July, stands at 1084.5 mm, that is approximately 108 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 94 centimeter. That means till now in this season Goa has received 15% extra rainfall.